Om. Surya Namaskar, Desikachar style. Mandala sequence. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, return. 2 more times. Inhale, lifting your upper body. Exhale, return to sit on your heels. Inhale to your full length of breath. Exhale, return. Change. Inhale, lift your hands and arms. As you exhale, come into child pose, Balasana. As you inhale, revert to the previous position, hands up. Exhale, Balasana. Last time. As you inhale, upper body lifts. Exhale, Balasana. On your inhalation, come onto your all fours. As you exhale, return to child's pose. As you inhale, come onto your all fours. Exhale, return, Balasana. Inhale, Chakravakasana. Exhale, down, belly into the ground. Extend your hands and arms behind your head into a prayer. Sadhana. Breathe here. Simply exhale or exhale to the sound of Om. As you inhale, press your hands beneath your shoulders, lift yourself up to come into your all fours. As the next exhalation happens, bottoms towards your heels. Return. As you inhale, lift your hands and arms up. And as you exhale, starting position per breath. Inhale, lift your hands and arms, upper body up. Exhale, child pose, Balasana. Inhale, all fours. As you exhale, down to Chaturanga, release your hands and arms in front of your head. Breathe here, feeling your front body yielding into the ground, your back body resting onto your front body. Allow the breath to move you. On your next inhalation, hands underneath your shoulders, pressing onto your feet and knees to come up into your all fours. As you exhale, Balasana, child pose. On your next inhalation, arms up, hands Namaskar Mudra. As you exhale, sitting in Virasana, hands in Namaskar.